Look at, we're at checkpoint, guys. Hey, yeah. It might be open up. Yeah, it might be open. Hey, nice ladies, I got a quick question for y'all. All the way this way, down the sidewalk this way, it's still open to the public, right? What do you mean? Where is it closed though? Where's the line? Hey, my guy, number 16, number 185. Older gentleman, excuse me. Older gentleman, where's the line, sir? Excuse me, nice lady. Oh shit, there is no line. I think you're wrong about this imaginary line. We're gonna test that line, as a matter of fact. All right, guys, welcome back. I did a First Amendment audit in Fresno, California yesterday, and I wanted to ask an important question that I thought would help me in my case that I'm fighting when I recently got arrested for recording a checkpoint. And here's a quick disclaimer, folks. In the live stream where I was arrested, it's not my greatest moment. In fact, I think it's one of the worst videos that I've ever done. I personally wasn't happy the way I behaved that day. Having said that, I still don't think I did anything illegal. We walked up to a checkpoint. I asked some questions. I was talking to the people in the live chat. And when Officer Burdick walks up to us to confront us, I wasn't having it. I was trying to go from one part of the sidewalk to the other when Officer Burdick got in front of me and told me that I couldn't go to that area. He then arrests my son, Nate Skates 182, and arrests me as well. But I want to read to you what it says right here in the police report because I want to point something out, folks. While standing near the DUI command post, I was approached by a citizen volunteer, Lily, who informed me that she and 2 other volunteers were being harassed by several subjects. The volunteer stated she and the other volunteers were standing on the north sidewalk of East Truxtun Avenue, directly north of the DUI screening area. When the subjects began filming them and asking questions, the volunteer stated she and the other volunteers had been instructed not to engage with such subjects. However, she stated the filming and questioning was relentless, causing her to feel unsafe and unable to perform her duties. And so the reason that I'm making this video right here, right now, is to prove a point. To prove a point that just because you're a citizen volunteer, that does not mean that you are not under contract with the city. I will be doing some more follow-up videos regarding this incident. I am fighting my case all the way, win or lose. If I lose, I'll do my time. If I win, I'll let you guys know right away. Either way, I do want to say something, folks. I personally have made mistakes out there doing what I do. I'm not proud of everything that I've done, but I am proud of the work in general. I believe I've gone out of my way to improve whenever I make mistakes. Even though I feel I made some mistakes out there, saying some things, being obnoxious, I don't believe I did anything illegal. I will not be apologizing. I will not write a letter of apology. I'd rather do my time, make some new friends in jail, maybe create some activists. So with that being said, I want to show you guys this clip where I ask a man that works at a chaplaincy in Fresno, and he talks about citizen volunteers and them working for the city. All right, folks, let's get to it. What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency right here in Fresno, California. I went San Joaquin Audits today. Make sure you guys go subscribe. I'll drop his link in the description and in the pinned comment. We're doing a First Amendment audit, and today we are here at the Fresno Police Chaplaincy. Somebody getting in the car. I don't see any signs that say no trespassing or anything like that.
Hey, excuse me, I had a question.
It's an extension of the police department.
Okay, so like if we had like a, say we had to come like make a complaint, we can do that here, or do we have to go to a different police department?
You actually have to go to the police department.
Okay.
What do you guys?
Located?
The closest one would be down on Tulare in the headquarters.
Okay.
That would be the closest one.
What does this station do
This
specifically?
is the Fresno Police Chaplaincy. So we're kind of like the priest for the police department.
Oh, I see. Okay, like.
So if there's say death calls, if officers need more support, we handle runaway calls, things like that.
Hmm.
And,
Okay.
Yeah.
Do it like you guys do it to families those lost loved ones. Like that. I see.
Cool.
So you guys are more like dealing with you guys deal more the public. You guys aren't really police officers though.
Yeah, we're not sworn officers.
Okay.
We have volunteers, some paid staff, and we run programs for runaways. We reach out to families of trauma and things like that. We do trauma classes and parenting classes.
Okay.
I have a question on the like volunteer stuff. Like, how could one volunteer, for instance, with this department or a different one, similar?
So they can go on the website at FresnoPoliceChaplaincy.org and fill out, click on contact, and it lists all of our programs, and they can sign up.
So if you volunteer, is it still like considered like working with the city or working for the city, even though you don't get paid?
Yes.
Like say
Okay.
if I had the community service hours that I wanted to come do here, I could.
Oh, okay. So you guys offer that here as well?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Cool.
Thank you.
All right, man. We're
Can I
gonna
get your name real quick?
Domingo.
Domingo.
All right.
Cool, man. Thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Domingo had a pretty good attitude. He answered some questions. We just asked a couple questions and he answered them. He was pretty cordial, very respectful. So as you can see here, guys, this is the Chaplain Center, and Resiliency Center, Fresno Police Chaplaincy. All right, guys, I'm going to be cutting off the video right here. As far as my case goes, I actually have court in the morning. So by the time you're watching this video, I'll be in court. We are taking it to trial. The DA doesn't want to drop it. I'll let you guys know the outcome. Do not worry. Make sure you're subscribed, though, and hit that bell. Also, for the rest of the video, we actually got a really long conversation recorded with this gentleman that you're seeing here. This guy is a propagandist at best, and we go back and forth in a cordial conversation, and we actually pretty much disagree on almost everything. At the end of that video, he tells me that I definitely gave him a lot to think about. That's always been my goal, folks. I want people talking about the First Amendment. I want every officer knowing it. I want every kid in school learning it. And if they're not going to learn it at school, parents, start teaching them. It's your job. All right, guys, stay tuned for the full video from the Fresno Chaplaincy. I'll be posting that one soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. Peace. That's right, folks. They took a job to extort people. They're not really saving anybody because this is a waste of tax dollars. Oh, a huge waste of tax dollars.